Welcome to Is Tallyho Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Tallyho Wallet and further details are in the description below. Tallyho Wallet is a secure, open source, non custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed with privacy and ease of use in mind. It's aimed at users who prioritize keeping full control over their assets while also focusing on robust security features. One of the key selling points of Tallyho Wallet is its decentralized, non custodial nature. This means that you and only you have control over your private keys and recovery phrases. Tallyho never stores your data, ensuring that there are no central points of vulnerability. This offers a higher level of security compared to wallets that rely on centralized servers for data storage. Tallyho Wallet also uses advanced encryption techniques to protect your private keys locally on your device. This ensures that your assets remain secure even if your device is compromised. The wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, providing flexibility for users who deal with various assets. Additionally, the wallet integrates seamlessly with decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols, giving you access to the growing world of DeFi apps directly from the wallet interface. For those concerned about recovering their wallet, Tallyho offers a secure backup process using a 12-word recovery phrase, which is a standard in the industry. This makes restoring your wallet simple and secure, even if you lose your device. Tallyho also emphasizes user privacy by offering features that prevent tracking and ensure anonymity in your transactions. In conclusion, Tallyho Wallet provides a solid balance of security, privacy, and functionality. Its focus on decentralized control, encryption, and user privacy makes it a safe option for anyone serious about securing their digital assets. If you value full control and enhanced privacy, Tallyho Wallet is an excellent choice. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started with Tallyho Wallet today.